Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna test this Parkside impact machine, and we have this very old cone hive, which is a great opportunity to reinforce with this small impact machine. And for that I will use this kind of long screws which is using a Torx, and let us test it. So I have a Torx here. And if we check this corn hive, let me bring the camera a bit closer. Yeah, this is the screw. This is the screw itself, and let us see what this machine actually does. It's actually very strong, surprisingly strong. And last time I have used a traditional screwdriver, and I wasn't able to bring this bolt here inside. And let us check again with that impact machine. Okay, so this is not doing too much. It had some hard time, but in the end it did the job. And I'm really happy with it. Probably if I would repurchase again, I would purchase the highest Newton one, which is good for also remove the tires from the car. But for that price, it was around 30 or 40 euro. If I remember well, it was coming without the battery, so I have to purchase a battery, this is a performance battery from Parkside. It is really good as per compared. Now we just have to cut this part here, and we are fine to go. If you would also like to support my channel, please do not hesitate to hit the like button and hit the subscribe and the notification bell. Thank you very much.